Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today we are going to solve a viral maths problem. The question is 12 divided 3 times 2 plus 2. So I'm going to solve now. First of all, rewrite the question. 12 divide 3 2 plus 2. Which procedure we should follow? So we are following PEMDAS. Yeah? Here PEMDAS, P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, this is parenthesis. So we should do that first. So 12 divided 3 times 2 plus 2, that means 4. So from PEMDAS, P parenthesis exponent multiplication, so we should do multiplication. So 3 times 4, that means 12. 12 divided 12, so 12 divided 12 equal 1, but it is not right. This procedure is totally wrong. Now we are going to solve that math by actual method. So rewrite the question. First of all, we should do parenthesis first. Okay, so 12 divided 3 times 2 plus 2, that means 4. When it comes to multiplication and division in a math problem, if both are there, it comes down to which comes first. So there, division comes first and multiplication comes second. So we should do division first. So 12 divided 3, that means 4 times 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 equal 16, and this is our answer.